Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a wig review, of course, as you guys can tell by the title. I think I say this in every video, but you guys still love me. I'm going to be doing a wig review for Donalovehair. Now they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review one of their units. You guys know I keep it nitty gritty. They're not paying me. They're not sponsoring me. They just sent me the units. And even if they were sponsoring me, I would still be saying what I feel like saying. Anyway, I got this wig sent to me from Donalovehair, and this is the unit that I picked up. I'm gonna leave the website link down below. This is the unit that I picked. It's a peachy number. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. It comes by FedEx. I'm not sure if they all come by FedEx. Now I'm gonna leave the website down below. You guys are more than welcome to check it out. Comes in a box like this, really pretty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take down my hair. This is the Au Naturel hair. She's a mess. I'm actually considering in dyeing it back to black or like a dark brown and just letting it like grow out. Like, I don't know. And then once it's strong enough, it looks green in my monitor. So I pretty much just twist my hair up and kind of pin it around. So it's not a bun, it's kind of flattened out. That's just how I pin my hair. So I'm going to pin it up and show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so I mean, I pretty much just, because my hair's so thin, I pretty much flatten it and kind of do like a circle, not a bun, and just pin it, flatten it out. I literally only have 3 bobby pins in my hair right now, and I usually leave the front as is and kind of work it once I put on a wig, or if I know which wig I'm putting on, then I'll work it that way. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on my wig cap. This is a mesh wig cap that I have that I quite enjoy putting on. Pretty much I tell people all the time that you guys can reuse wig caps. They're like stockings. Even if they're like ripped, which I think all of mine are ripped, I just pretty much hand wash them in the sink with some Castile soap, which is the same soap that I use for my brushes. I'm sorry, my bra straps are showing. I'm not a lady. Did you guys not figure that out? So anyway, I pretty much just wash my wig caps in the sink and let them air dry. That's it. And I use Castile soap, which is the same soap that I use for my brushes. You can either use a bar soap or use the liquid Castile soap. So anyway, this is the Donalovehair right here. I think they all come packaged in this beautiful Tiffany like blue box with a little ribbon. To me, they're expensive wigs. This wig right here is actually $106. It actually, I think you can customize it. You would contact them and customize the wig. So if you want something a little bit longer, or a little bit shorter, they definitely would do that for you. So this is in the box. It tells me the style is SNY099, which is the same as pictured on the website. When you open it up, this is how it comes. I had a brand new package. Is it weird that I wait till I'm filming for you guys to actually open up a wig? I don't know. Someone made a mention to that. Actually, my personal life was like, why do you not open your wigs beforehand? And I'm like, because I want to share the experience. I don't know if that, I don't know what you guys are used to, but anyway, comment down below. This is a nice little like paddle brush. And I don't know, but that's cute. That's a nice addition. So I think you get something like that with every wig. I also have a coupon code, which I will leave linked down below. No, I don't think I get anything from that at all. I have a coupon code. It's right here, EVMUA. I think it's the same way it's spelled out. So it's my name and then capital MUA. You get 25% off a wig if you're interested in buying one. They do have, I think it's only for the synthetic wigs, but they do have apparently human hair wigs, full lace wigs. Just check them out. I think it's actually a dope site. I went in there and I was like, oh, okay, this is definitely like cosplay friendly too. So if you love doing cosplay and you love the like longer wigs, the very nicely colored wigs or natural wigs, definitely check them out. So you get 25% off, which I actually don't think is a bad deal at all, especially because these units are a little bit more expensive. So I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, okay. So she comes packaged in a bag, which is fine. Ooh, I always wanted one of these. This It's like the same what I have. But this one is in nude or natural or whatever this is. But anyway, put that aside. Comes with the netting, per usual. She's packaged pretty alright. I mean, she's flattened out, but you know, whatever. She's got a lot of hair. Ooh. No smell, just like a package smell. She's got a very blunt cut. I'm not sure if each one of these is custom made. There is some shedding, as I'm pulling out right here. There's some shedding. This is a synthetic wig. There is some shine to the scalpage, which usually you can fix by adding a dry shampoo to it. This is the lace. It's very soft. I have kind of like free parting space here. It looks like it's a middle part because that's how they've parted the wig for me. How you can remove a part like this is by actually, you know, parting the hair and pressing it with a flat iron to add heat. So it does have decent parting space. The hair feels soft. It has a little frizz on the bottom. It's very staticky. So what I'm gonna do is, let me show you guys the cap construction first before I cut the lace. The cap on it, I've never had a cap like this. This feels very loose. This feels like it's just gonna be, it's definitely big head friendly. It has the adjustable straps. There's no comb in the back. Normally you can, I'm just adjusting the straps. Normally you can add a comb. I'm not very good at sewing. I know how to, but I'm not very good at sewing. I'm just kind of bringing it in a little bit because I have a feeling listen, I got a beady head, and then on top of that I have no hair. So barely any hair. So I don't need much room. This is definitely big head friendly right here. So anyway, there's actually one comb in the front, and oh, okay, I didn't see these, and 2 combs in the front. So it has a whole total of 3 combs. I personally think I would take out this comb gingerly, you know, and cut into the wig and sew it into the back. That's what I would do. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, cut the lace, and throw her on. Oh shit. Okay. So this wig cap feels loose as hell on me. Lord have mercy. I don't know. She's a cute cut, not gonna front, but to be honest, I don't like her in the middle part. I really don't. She looks better as a side part. I don't know. Some wigs do take more work than others. Like, this is not even a joke, because you guys know if you wear wigs, if you're on my channel, it's more likely because you wear wigs too, or you're interested in wigs. A lot of wigs do take work. I've just been blessed and highly favored in that aspect sometimes, where just putting my wig band on, I go like this. I'm not rubbing my nipples. I do like this because the part that, you know how velvet is, it does that thing where it's like rough when you push back. That's the side you want facing forward. So this part's rough. So what I do is I want that facing forward because it'll grip the hell out of the wig so much better because it has that grip. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Now, I'm going to tighten the hell out of this wig because my poor little scalp is just not holding it. I'm going to make her tight. Make her tight. I definitely think I can comb. I could definitely sew in that comb in the back. And that might take some doing. Like, I might need tools for this because I don't want to mess it up. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I digress. I'm going to put her back on. Okay. I'm going to be gingerly with her because I can feel her resisting. She's resisting me. Now the combs feel nice. Not digging into my skull, but ooh, let's go on that side. This is my other side. This is my other good side. So I'm taking the part and I'm moving it to the, it's funny because it looks more lopsided this way. So it looks way more lopsided this way. Is it because I tucked the hair in? I think I found the trick. And what I more likely will end up doing is, here's the middle part. What I'm gonna more likely end up doing is taking, hold on, BRB. That wig grip, that wig band made such a difference. This cap is huge on me. She's really cute. The hair is soft. It doesn't look soft because it's frizzy, and I think that's just the style of it. You can definitely make it more frizzy the more you touch it, but like I'm like going like this. I know this is too much right now, but if I wanted to part it, I have the same like really nice lace part there. Let me shift her a little bit this way. So I feel like this was the side that kind of flattered me a little bit more. And what I'm doing is, how do girls do this? Guys, help me. How do you girls do this? You guys take a hair and then you just tuck the rest in. Oh, that is cute. Hold on. Loving the side part. I think the side part, of course, suits me a little bit better. I do like the flirtiness of this unit, the natural frizziness to it. I know for a fact you can add heat, I think up to 400 degrees on these wigs right here. I like it. I really do. I love the way that the hair feels. It does feel like conditioned hair to me. I love the sassiness in the back. She does knot up a little bit though. I just shifted it. Now that I put a wig band on my head, this feels so much snugger and it feels so much better. And of course I tightened up the straps in the back. She's so cute. I love this color. I'll show you guys the back. Are we focused? Anyway, I'll show you guys the back. She's short and sweet, but you guys can see the length here and the shortness there. Of course, this is supposed to be in the front, but I like this length right here. It's really cool. Take some of my NYX Powder Foundation. If you guys are running out of your face powder and you know, want a new one, just use this one for your wigs. I've had this for over a year and been using it for my wigs since, and I haven't ran out of it. So I haven't had to buy powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the powder on. Okay. I love lace like this because you could definitely work it. You could put powder under. I know a lot of my girls put powder under. I don't mind putting it on top. How you doing? Oh, ooh, bitch. Of course I gotta, ow, I just pulled my own hair. This is fucking cute. A little pin in the back. I have other wigs I try to do this with, but they look too chunky. I feel like the waves on this and the style of it and just the texture of it made this easy to pull off all of a sudden. You can see my hoops, you know, my hoochie hoops. I think this is really cute. But yeah, no, I'm really liking this wig. I am really liking this wig. And most of the time I don't like hair tucked behind my ear, but it doesn't bother me. Like, it does not hurt. I'm very sensitive in that area. If Donalovehair is watching, that's something I would consider adding to your units, is a back comb. Because I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. It is easier to remove a comb, in my eyes, than it is to add one. Just throwing that out there. I'd rather have to remove a comb or not use a comb than to have to sit there and unsew one from here to add to the back. So that's just my one gripe with this unit. Overall, I like her very much. She's quite cute. The color is on point. The color is like a perfect peachy pink rose gold. I'm getting rose gold vibes from this bad boy. So time to go take some selfies. And yeah, go ahead, check out the website down below if you guys are interested. I do have a code EVMUA. You get 25% off any of their synthetic wigs. Synthetic is the keyword. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Donalovehair wig in SNY099. Let me see if I got that right. SNY099. I'm good, girl. I'm good. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I almost knocked my brushes down. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, let me stop. I'm still waiting for Ebony Line to send me my shit. We're gonna fight, Ebony Line. We're gonna fight. Let's go. Donalovehair shipped this shit from China. And Ebony Line, and I'm still waiting. It's since March 9th. Okay. It is now the 21st, 22nd. Actually, 22nd. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We got beef, boo.